begins with A, B, and CD are parallel to each other, and we're told that these two sides, CB and BD, are equal also. And we're showing that angles 1 and 2 have to be the same. Okay, so here's a case also where our end-state elements haven't yet been introduced into our proof, so we want to go ahead and make that introduction. Okay, so in order to bring angle 1 into our proof, what does angle 1 equal? Well, the only way to look at these, again, anytime you see parallelism in a proof, you're probably looking for corresponding angles, or you're looking for alternate interior angles, or you're looking for same side interior angles, or you're looking for alternate exterior angles. So you're going to be looking for one of those angle pair types. In this particular case, angle 1 is equivalent to its corresponding angle, angle C. Okay, so we could justify it as CA, corresponding angles of parallel lines are congruent. Now we need to introduce angle 2. So if we look to find how can we introduce angle 2 into this proof, well, angle 2 fits the pattern of alternate interior angles with angle D. So those would have to be equal to each other by AIA. Okay, so now we've introduced the two elements. Angles 1 and 2 are into our proof. So in order for us to show that those are congruent, we would need to show that angles C and D are also congruent. Well, based on what our picture looks like, angle C is opposite a side with 2 tick marks. Angle D also opposite a side with 2 tick marks. So are those equal to each other? Yeah. So we can make the statement that angle C is equal to angle D. And the reason for that is angles in a triangle, angles opposite equal sides are equal. And so finally, our last step then is, if we took this statement from step 4, we can replace angle C with its equivalent, angle 1. So I'm going to do that replacement. We can replace angle D with its equivalent, angle 2. I'll make that replacement. And we wind up with our end state by replacing two different things. Replacing is called substitution. And so this is not an example of transitive property. It isn't that two things are equal to the same thing. It's that two things are equal to equivalent things. Again, it's a little bit different because it's not the exact same thing. So in this particular case, you're just replacing values or using substitution.